let's talk about exams.
Yeah, इसका ही life है.
Yeah. So, I mean, I have tried to prepare for this a lot.
Right, it's impossible.
Almost as much as NEET exam aspirants. So, you guys are aware that NEET is the exam. Basically, in the undergraduate, it's done for people who are trying to get an MBBS degree.
Yeah.
And then you have a postgraduate. That's NEET UG, and then you have NEET PG for postgraduate people. Right now, most of the controversy has been surrounding the NEET UG undergraduate, where there have been like cheating scandals. There has been grace mark scandals happening over here. So first time I saw it is that they reported that 1,500 students were randomly given grace marks
Yeah.
because there was something wrong with the question, and they were like, "Chalo, theek hai, sab log ko de do."
Yeah.
And it led to some 67 candidates having 720 out of 720.
Yep.
Literally, which is like earlier it would be like maybe 5 or 10 would have these kind of people. 67 suddenly,
Yeah.
and 6 were from the same center.
Yeah.
What was your like? What did you find most interesting or
So,
weird about this entire?
Firstly, my introduction to this came through one news story, and I just want to say before I tell you this, all of this needs to be made into a web series on
Oh,
Sony
hells
Live
yes.
immediately.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
Immediately. It's fucking dramatic. So the news story I read was, it started like this: ki, on one night, okay, on one random night, the control room in Bihar gets a phone call saying that there is a car on a highway with people who are doing something illegal. Yeah, they didn't even tell them what it was, and Bihar police like, oh, something illegal.
Sounds like every day.
And instead of saying, "Bhag phone rakh," they said, "Okay, we'll swing into action." So they stopped this car, right? It had some 5 people in it, and the 5 people, they obviously did some amount of interrogation, and they found out that the 5 people were headed to a safe house. Okay, and when they landed up at the safe house, there were 30 students there, held by criminals to prepare for the NET exam happening the next day, right? And listen, I've been in exams that have pressure, but to have criminals around you, helping you cram,
Yeah, this was
Yeah.
what this was called the Solver Gang, no?
Solver.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not making this up. It was called Solver Gang.
So what? Then they give the answers to the students, or they are the.
Yeah,
No,
they,
they-
create the answer key, no?
Yeah,
For the paper,
for the
or,
OMR
or
sheet.
in many cases they
Yeah.
go and give the exam,
Yeah.
which is
Fair
then
enough.
happens.
Like in Vyapam also it used to happen back in the day. The,
You don't
the
say
originals.
the word Vyapam. If you say it 3 times, you disappear.
but the interesting thing about the solver thing is, this is true, like they have these criminal parts of these criminal machinery who are there to solve the question and then teach the students what the answer is.
Yeah.
And I cannot tell you, it's such a wonderful statement about how competitive things are in India.
Yeah.
कि crime gang में भी तेरे को entrance exam देना पड़ रहा है घुसने के लिए.
I just want to say the one thing I found very interesting about the NEET thing is it's run by this NTA, right, the National Testing Agency, and they've messed up. So now they are appointing another committee to like that's how we fix it. When one committee messes up, we get another committee to look at this committee. And we all know nothing's going to be like this is just, you know how they're going to solve this, right? This is what we do in India. We'll rename the exam. So NEET, the name is going to go. And I think it should, because NEET, if you guys know, it stands for National Eligibility Come Entrance Test. And I just have a gripe with that Latin word in the middle. I feel as a society we have to move on from. Every time I read that word, I'm like, no, not anymore. Dude. Not just in NEET, in every sofa come bed, sofa that becomes bed. Don't throw Latin at us. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, this is Shamik Chakrabarti versus Latin. New comedy special.
Yes, when I found out like 67 people scored full, they are toppers essentially, 67 toppers. It already sounds wrong. My first thought was I need to take care of my health. 20 years from now, I go to a doctor and he's like, I was a topper, I'm the best in the batch. I'm going to leave immediately. I'm like, I want a medium good doctor. Average student now, please.
500 वाला कुछ.
I go with a cough and he recommends amputation or something, you know. I don't
Dude,
wanna
this
take a
happened to
chance.
one. This was in the news.
Yeah.
There was one kid, okay, who went in for a leg surgery. They performed a circumcision on him.
What? No.
For real.
What? Fuck off.
For real. This is a
So this is kind of a compliment in a weird way, right?
And then
The greatest compliment of all time.
क्या इसका लंच छोड़ा करो क्या ये?
Oh man.